Concerns have risen over potential relocation of Passport Seva Kendra, in short PSK, from Kakching to Ccpur. In response, the Joint Non-Government Voluntary Organization, in short JNGVO, and the people of Kakching have issued a strong warning of protests if the authorities do not address the issue by June 7th. According to a statement released by JNGVO President K.H. Chatradhari and General Secretary N. Bhaigachandra, there has been a disruption in online appointment services for passport applicants from the districts of Kakching, Thoubal, Chandal and Technopal. The disruption has aided to frustration of local residents, especially given the recent state crisis, which led to an internet ban, further complicating the appointment process for passport applicants. The statement highlights that despite the restoration of internet services, online appointments for the PSK in Kakching remain unavailable. JNGVO leaders questioned the motives behind the ongoing closure and raised suspicions about the hidden agenda to relocate the PSK from Kakching to Ccpur. They asserted that if relocation is mandatory, a new PSK branch should be opened in Kakching. The residents of Kakching, Thoubal, Chandal and Technopal districts are facing significant challenges due to the closure of online appointment services, hindering their ability to travel abroad. Additionally, the current rented building housing the PSK in Kakching is situated in the congested area, causing inconveniences for pedestrians. JNGVO has urged the authorities to construct a new building for the post office in Kakching and commence work promptly. JNGVO strongly condemned that despite repeated appeals about the matter, no action has been taken till date. If the authorities fail to address these concerns and restore online appointment services by June 7, JNGVO and the residents of Kakching are prepared to stage strong agitation.